Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create new Facebook account. To create new Facebook account, firstly open your Facebook application. Now tap on create new account at the bottom of your screen. After that, tap on get started. Now type your first name and surname. After typing your name, tap on next button. Now set your birth date. Now tap on set to set your birth date. After that, tap on next button. Now select your gender. After that, tap on next button. Now click on sign up with email address. Now type your email address. After that, tap on next button. Now create a password that you like. Now tap on next button. For now, I don't want to save my login info, so I'll click on not now button. Now tap on I agree button. Now check for the confirmation code that has been sent to your Gmail by Facebook. Now type your confirmation code. Now tap on next button. This is how you will be able to create new Facebook account. If you found this video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press that notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming videos from us. Thank you and see you in next video.